it had not taken 44 years to arrive at the conclusion. We also beseech through you that even now another heartthrob Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Imran Khan, is languishing in the jail. The people gave their verdict on the 8th of February 2024, saying that Imran Khan and his party was massively voted. So let us not take 45 years. Let us not take 45 years to arrive at the conclusion that the 9th of May, Hevam, and the 9th of February, they were all some type of a conspiracy again to eliminate another heartthrob Prime Minister from the people of Pakistan. Let us have a commission, whether from this House or the August Supreme Court of Pakistan. Let them form a highest judicial commission to see whether the 9th of May was an orchestrated move to disintegrate Imran Khan and his political party. And then we saw on the 8th of February people massively rejecting the 9th of May version. They rejected the convictions imposed upon Imran Khan. They rejected his incarceration. The people of Pakistan rejected the judgments also, whereby the symbol bat was taken away from the Pakistan People's Party. Sir, I said it on the face of the Supreme Court. Right in the court I said, this is killing democracy. For God's sake, this would be considered and reckoned as one of the blackest judgments in the history of Pakistan. And I say it once again before this House, August House. Let us preserve the sanctity of this House. Let this House be sovereign and supreme. Let it be the voice of the people of Pakistan, the genuine elected members who have been elected by the people of Pakistan on the 8th.